how does Amazon PPC work together with influencer or live marketing? So how does Amazon PPC work together with influencer or live marketing? Let me know what is my knowledge about influencer marketing. And especially when it comes down to Amazon, there is a platform on Amazon called Creator Connection where you can set up specific campaigns for your product and send it out to them. And they are going to review and create content for your product. That way you can help your Amazon PPC campaigns. If it comes down to Amazon PPC working together with influencer marketing, the influencer marketing side, I would still have it as organic. I would not count towards it as an advertising expense, count towards it as marketing budget for creator, like for influencer marketing rather than. And then the way how I would still look into, like what is my outcome is that in case you're not changing anything for 1 month in the campaigns, when it comes down to structure, when it comes down to the amount of campaigns that you're creating or the budget you're investing. Example, you're spending $10,000 this month, you're spending $10,000 next month on ads, and there's no much big or like huge change on the Amazon ads side. The way I would look into how the two work is the moment you start Amazon influencer marketing and see how sales are picking up, we would consider those organic sales. So the question is, because you have a link to track what are the sales from that and from the connection, a creator connections point of view, you would then track, okay, this is how much was my Amazon PPC spend for the month, and this is how much was my spend and also my income from the influencer marketing stuff. This is how I would look at them. I would not put them together because honestly, that is going to give you, again, false positive of something working, but it might not.